Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of our 2014 Mercedes-Benz GLA 200 AMG Line Premium Plus we have new in stock. This GLA 200 is a ULEZ compliant diesel vehicle. This GLA also has a great specification. To start with some of the features, you've got the gloss black alloy wheels, some of the contrasting matte silver external trim features. You've got bi-xenon headlights with daytime running lights as part of the Premium Plus package, your chrome tailpipe finishers and some other AMG line chrome exterior trim. You've also got privacy glass as an optional feature. You've got a half leather, half DINAMICA microfibre interior with the optional 4-way lumbar support on the side of the seat. You've got the full electric functions with the memory settings available on the door as part of the Premium Plus equipment line. You also get the automatically dimming driver's exterior and rear view mirror, the curb view function for the exterior mirrors, the map pilot navigation and parking pilot. You also get the panoramic glass sunroof. You've got your standard leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel here with your multi-functions. You've got your cruise control functions available as well, your infotainment controls on the centre console, your climate control functions, and then on the centre screen you've got access to your reversing camera as well as the optional DAB radio function. If you'd like any more information on this 2014 GLA 200, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.